Okay, I think now it's good. Yeah, it looks good now. Right, so okay, so we are participating in this game jam, GMTK. This is what I wanted to do all the time, but because of my schedule, so I had 2 more game jams going on. Stop Killing Games and Brewable, and both of these submissions are done, so I have time for GMTK, but there's only 1 day left for this, so we'll see what we can do. I think a lot of things will be happening on Sprite this jam, and I will go with the same resolution. And just recently I made a web shell or whatever shell.html file for centered canvas, so we will pick that one also. I already have a web, but I don't like this web. It's in SKG, I guess. And we will also pick the make file from here, and this will, I think, become our template. The existing template was not that good. And after GMTK we will have Takernal, and then Godot, and then Brachis, and then Bezzy. We'll see how this will lay out, but yeah, we also have, I also want to be in this GBA game jam. It's kind of tough. We'll see. Okay, I think this is taking a while because it has LDTK, which I don't want. We are not using this. We are not even using this one. Okay, we might use this, I'm not sure. Okay, come on. Internet, why do you do this with me? Come on. Not again. Come on. Will I have to use my hotspot for this? Okay. Okay, I think we are back, but I don't want this to keep happening. I'm not sure how to fix this. We'll just have to pray that it doesn't happen anymore. I don't know what I can do. What else I can do? I can go on hotspot, but I think that's even worse. So okay, you don't have to download raylib, but yeah, it's fine. I don't mind it. And it's gonna take a while to compile. I don't understand, what is this issue? What's wrong? Asset, do you mean it's empty? Is that the issue? Or something? Okay, yeah, that was the issue. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have a blank canvas, and let's use this shell file and try it out. Wait. I think yeah, I did mention black background color black, then okay, now it works. Wait, or wait, what? Okay, so I don't think wait, I don't understand. Is it stretching or not? You know, it's black completely. But then I think I'll have to draw a square, then I'll know. I'll draw on top left. It will be white or something very, let's call it blue. Okay, so it is being compressed or something. instead of this, maybe I can do 100% maybe. Will this help? No. Then this maybe. How do we do this? No, this is not. What? Am I mean, okay, wait. Yeah, this will not work. No, yeah, it should work. What? Oh, sorry. It should be 1,600. I thought this was already there. Oh, God. I hate myself. It's been 16 minutes and we are still only building. We haven't started making game. Maybe while it's compiling I can do some stuff here. Let's see. Okay, now it's a square. Nice. And let's make it white. Also, let's find palette for our game quickly, which looks good for, this is not bad. Which palette looks good for a rocket type of game? Because what I'm thinking, oh wait, okay, so I'm thinking of something like there will be buttons, it will be a calculator, not okay, yeah, it will be a calculator, and you're supposed to type the buttons will be, wait, I have a list. I was brainstorming, just a minute. Yeah, so think of it as this would be one button, then multiply by 5 would be one button, then plus 1 would be a button, then divide by 3 would be a button, square would be a button, x square call it, and square root would be a button. So you will have one number on this, call it, let's say 13, and let's say you need to send a command for launch which is 25, then you can do okay, you can do 15 will become 125, right? 15 square is 125, then 150. So I'll do plus plus, which makes it 15, then I'll do multiply by square, which makes it 125, if I'm not wrong, to 5, Wait, what? No, sorry, my bad. Sorry. So it will be, dude, it will be 65. Yeah, so 15. Am I that bad? I'm not that bad. It's just because of the live stream, okay? 5. Okay. Yeah, so 5. 2 goes up, 5 1 5, 6 7. That's 75. And then 15. Did I just forget how to multiply by hand or what? 255. Okay, so I was doing good. 255. And our goal is 255. So 255. Okay, it will be hard to go there. And I don't have a -1, else I would have just made 256 and then did do -1. Okay, this one is tough. It's not an easy game. I think I'll need some set levels. What is this? Yeah, so that is the game. I think this will be tough even for me to play test, but this looks good. Do we have anything else, or we can just go with this? Black and white will also look good. This will also look good. Shall we? Dude. Okay, I wanna give this a try. I think, oh shit. And maybe instead of that red, I can use my red. Some of all of this. 3 colors. Which black is this? Is it, okay, it's pure black. Wait, what? No. Okay, this one is that grayscaled one. Okay, this is a different black, so we'll use this black. Then white is pure white. Okay. And this one would be my red. Can I save this? Okay, I'll save this palette as default and I'll try to use this one every single jam. Do we have anything else? I think that's it. So we'll have white background because that's classy. Okay, and I need some reference. What happens in rocket launch? commands or something. What communication happens? Status check, okay. Launch status check, that's the same thing. Space shuttle, orbiter test conductor prime, tank booster test conductor, PDC. Okay, so I'll pick I'll pick some stuff from here. Okay, these are the people. And these are the checks. We'll use stuff from here, maybe. Okay. Let's see. So I will need a calculator. No. So okay, this is a little hard. Okay, I think I'll go with this. This would be our calculator, or not exactly calculator, but rather command. Call it command something. I drew it on background. And it's only going to have 6 buttons. This is very rough. We will obviously align it correctly in the actual game, but it might look like this, and then color this all this, and maybe do some shading with 4 pixel. Okay, that doesn't look good. Maybe, okay, I'll have to think about this, what I should be doing. Yeah, I think we will have to go with very rough. How does control center of space launch look like? Inside a mission control. Okay, we have a lot of stuff. Okay, I just want to get done with this game with this mechanic. What should we name the game? Yes. No. No. Okay, I'll have to do something about this. 100% maybe. No. Okay, that is bad. What can we do with this? If height is bigger than this, issue is, yeah, only when height is bigger than the width. I think no one will have that, right? I hope so. Okay. Let's export this just as a reference and then as trolling. Calc is short for calculator. Calculation or calculus. Slang for calculator. Really? Okay, command calc is what we'll call this. Yes. Wait. No, hold on. No, I meant wait. Yes. And compatibility because we want HTML5 export. Yes. Let's get rid of these. And we will keep our window 1600. I don't know from where did I get this resolution, but I keep doing it again and again. Let's go to 2D scene. This will be our world. Hi world. Hello world. And then we will have folders, scenes, and components. Will we have shaders? I'm not sure about this. Okay, how do we start? Maybe we can start from importing that asset. What? Okay. Okay. I hate myself. Okay, so this is our calculator. Okay, we will do shaders and menu, and let's call this reference sprite, and let's also save this one as reference.tsc, and yes, go to shaders.com. This splatter might be useful. Dithering will also be useful. What else? CRT could be. Broken glass, no. Dissolve. Damn, that looks good. Palette swapper. Foggy. Pulse glow. Okay. Dithering. Okay, okay, this is canvas item, so I think I can test this. Let's go to menu. Let's go to gameplay and create a canvas item. I'm not very used to contour. Wait, what? Canvas layer or something? Wait. What canvas modulate? I'm confused. Canvas item. Yeah, I wrote one in this scene, or I think it's in prefabs. Where is the wheel? What? Okay. Spin effect, maybe? No. Wait, where was it? Yeah, this is the one. Will spin shader, yeah. Canvas item. Where is that canvas item? Is it in texture? Oh, so in texture we create a shader material and then we add a shader. Is it how it is? What happens to canvas? Okay, so maybe wait. Okay. So I need a sprite. 2D is it how it is? And I can put anything in here. And material. Canvas item material. Shader material. Shader, new shader. Shaders. And what? Okay, I mean it's something. I mean, yeah, this looks good. Yeah, not bad. Okay, why does it look good though? Okay, that's I will keep it in. Let's not. Okay, I can remove this one, right? Scripts. Oh. Yeah, I can remove this. And let's call this particles. And let's create a new one called gameplay, and I think particles will go in components. Reference also will go in components. Let's call it gameplay, and in this one we will import particles, and also let's add reference, and on top of reference we will have this. And let's see how does this look. I mean, it's not. Okay. I can draw a simple star, call it 50-50. So in particles, instead of this we will have star. But it's still this, and that is because in shader we are expecting shader parameters, texture to draw. Yeah, oh my god, this is good. Is it good? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, why is it so small? Okay, it's only in this area. Okay, particles is also in. Okay. Why is it this? What's wrong? And in particles, let's make this black. What is G color? Okay, it doesn't look that good now. And also the star is not that great. Okay, this is bad. I don't like this, but okay, this is not even the main game mechanic, so let's not go deep in this. Okay, I want buttons. I don't feel like submitting for GMTK anymore, but I'll have to. Is there any simpler game that I can make? Maybe just click to count down. Yeah, I can do that maybe. Okay, there is one thing that I can do. I'll make a stopwatch that counts down, and you are supposed to stop it at exactly 1 second, and you stop it by pressing space. Yeah, that's it. That's the game. That's the game I want to make, and we can close this, and we are back to our favorite game engine, which is our terminal. Yeah, so I need a font, which I will get from this game. Okay, not this font. And what else do we need? Okay, we will need a soundtrack, but I think we can work without it. So I think it's very simple. Let's just okay, stop it as close to it. Oh, okay. The closer you are to the 0, the higher your score is. To make it clutch, you know. Okay, that's very simple. I'll note it down. Game idea. A timer of 5 seconds. You are supposed to stop it as close to 0 as possible. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I can do this. Oh, I forgot. Okay, I need to update the shell.html to something. We will assume that height is smaller than width. Oh, hi Nilaksh. How is it going? make the width auto. Yeah. Okay, what do I need? Okay, maybe a global dot h for font. What else? I think that's it. And then we will need state. Okay, now gameplay is the main thing, and which is also going to be very simple for us because we don't have much time and I'm kind of tired. Okay, let's draw. Okay, we will also need a menu, and also we will make this gameplay static. Also the yeah, this is pretty simple, and even the game is going to be pretty simple. We will have everything is public, obviously, so we do not care about these. Let's take a double and let's just draw text for now, and also we'll take that measure something from which one, skg. Okay, we can even keep the screen size in global. So static in screen width 1000, height 600. Wait. Okay, sorry, my bad. This would be width, but that will stay the same. What is this? Okay. Okay, what is wrong with this one? Game over box is not defined. Okay. 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 What? Should I put global in here or something? Init window. This is width, this height. What? Okay. Okay. This is not my font. That is not my font. I think I will have to white. Sorry. White init font. Okay, this is my font, but it's blurry. Yeah, I'll have to see what I did here. There was something happening, maybe a texture, something, nearest pixel stuff. No, nothing. Okay, I think texture to the viewport. I'll still be using viewport for this. I like it. And I think that's the issue with this one. Was it texture 2D or render texture 2D? It is texture. And then we are doing, no wait. Okay, begin texture mode and then we give it a texture 2D. No, render texture 2D. So load render texture is how we do it. Maybe it's the canvas thing, canvas scaling thing. Canvas scale nearest pixel web HTML5. Okay, I think this looks like a valid solution. So this is our canvas and what? Can't access property clear color. GL context is undefined. Is it because I'm holding it here? Or maybe it should not be 2D, it should be GL or something, web GPU or something. Okay, wait. Let's comment these and then check. This is null. This is null. Okay, we are using WebGL2 for this. Okay, but still the issue is still there. But wait. Oh my god. Oof, I accidentally closed that. No. What do I do? Okay, let's draw. Okay, so we drew on a texture now. Now if we start drawing this, and we can have a shader, but let's say we do not have shader. Wait, then we do this. Texture is actually viewport, right? Render texture 2D. Okay, sorry. Why is it negative? I don't know. Okay, this is working, but it's still the same issue, so I don't think we made any progress. But now we have shaders access. But okay, let's see stuff one at a time. Okay, we are not using this. Okay, the font, yes. So yeah, the game is going to be very simple, as we already discussed. It's about yeah, how close are you to, you know, pressing space, and enum screen menu gameplay game over. I think this is incorrect. I think this is the right word, but Oh my god. Screen. Current screen. Menu. Depending on which screen we are on, we will draw different stuff. So this. But we yeah, we'll just have I think that function is generic enough to be in global H. Draw centered text. Welcome. Screen. Wait. Current screen. Changes to gameplay. It does exist. What do you mean? Pressing enter is not doing anything. Yeah, it's not doing anything. Oh, obviously it will not do anything. But still, I think this should have... Oh. What? Oh, so if we do not clear before rendering in texture, this is what happens. I think it's a good discovery. I think I can use this to maybe make a painting software, maybe. Okay. So this is going to be a dynamic text. If it was monospace, I think it would have been much better. Free for personal use, commercial license $5. Will it become considered commercial or not if I upload on itch.io? Free for personal use. What about commercial use? They haven't mentioned anything about commercial use, so I'm not sure what to make of it. Okay, I don't think it's okay. Let's not use this one. Why do I not have an option to filter by license? What is wrong with you? Filter is not being applied. Okay, I'm supposed to submit. I'm so stupid. Okay, typewriter. Okay, this is good. Okay, I have colon and all the numbers. That's all we want. And I think K is this, M is this. Okay, I might not use this for letters, but yeah, numbers are good for this one. Okay, no license. Okay, does OTFN works now? Let's see. I think I'll also take font in input. So font size will become font.base. No, wait, font size we are taking in input. This font will become font. Okay, it's not that bad. Maybe, yeah, maybe 5. Maybe increase a spacing. Maybe 4 for spacing, 1 for spacing in this case. Wait, is this for spacing? Yeah. Okay, this is much better. Even we can go even much bigger. I don't mind it. Yeah, this is good. And I think we can increase the spacing. Yep. Okay, So okay, let's try get time and this is double and it's in seconds. So okay, so there is one thing called mod f. What it does is integer part and fraction part. And we pass integer part in here and fraction part is something that is returned and actual timer goes here. Now this is milliseconds. We can even rename this to milliseconds. And this is seconds. Now for now we will do this text seconds and milliseconds. What? What do you mean? Oh, it's float. Okay. Okay, that's an issue. I can't do this. How about this? No, I think then a sprintf will not work. But okay, I will do this. And so this will become this will become text. Okay. Milliseconds into 1000 and like this. Okay. Is this how it works? If I, let's say, want to add padding in front. Yeah, this does not look good. Yeah, this does not look good at all. It was supposed to be monospace, wasn't it? Fix width. Okay, I'll just pick something from here. White rabbit looks good. Yeah, I'll use this one. Okay, nice. We will send him an email after this. Wait. No. Okay, this is for... I think, yeah, let's not bring this outside and keep it inside. Let's remove this one. We can also create a folder for this. Wait. Timer font. What is this? Was it always like this? Oh my god. I think I messed up that. Yeah. Let's go with this. Okay, that's too big. What? Am I missing something? Oh, this is... Sorry, my bad. Nice. Yeah, this font looks good. And we can even use the same font for menu also. I think it will look fine. Yeah, it doesn't look bad. Okay, nice. So the premise is we start with 5 seconds, void reset. I don't think we need it anywhere. Time left equals 5 seconds, so that's this. And we will also save start time, which is start time equals get time. This probably add 0.5 milliseconds just for 0.2 milliseconds. Yeah. And yeah, so this time we are calculating will not be like this. It will be start time this. If time is greater than 0, then we do all of this. Else it is just 0, 0, 0. So whenever we come here, we are also supposed to reset the timer. What? Start time. What? That was like 1 second. Oh, sorry. So it would be start time. Sorry, okay. It would be like get time minus start time. this would be time left. Okay, first of all, time elapsed. That would be this. And this is what we minus from time left. So this will also go in here. Yeah, no funny business. What? That was not 5 seconds at all. Are you kidding me? Okay, that is not time elapsed. Then sorry, my bad. It should be. Hi Nilaksh. How is it going? Okay. Nice. What about you? Yeah, it's good. It's fine. So my initial plan was very big for this, but I don't have that much time, so I am settling for a small simple game for this GMTK. Oh. Yes. I think instead of this get time minus get start time, I can just do minus get frame time. But this is in, okay, this is also in seconds and not milliseconds. If it is not done, then we don't do this. Yeah, so this one is very simple. What you're supposed to do is you need to stop the timer as close to 0 as you can. Yeah, that's it. Okay. I don't even know what to name this one and what to say. Interesting. Yeah. Yeah, interesting. कल मैंने एक 99 रुपीज़ का सर्वर परचेज़ किया फॉर बेडरॉक बट इट डिडंट वर्क ऑन बेडरॉक ओनली वर्क्स इन जावा. व्हाट? ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है? पक्का तुमने बेडरॉक का ही लिया था और कहाँ से लिया था? Okay. It doesn't look that bad. Oops. one more text we will show is at maybe 200 saying you missed. हाँ पता नहीं आज कभी कभी तो वेबसाइट ही नहीं ओपन होती, कोई भी वेबसाइट या स्पेसिफिक। क्या fast.com ओपन होती है? दोनों सपोर्टेड था। अच्छा बोल्ट बाइट होस्टिंग, अच्छा मैंने पहली बार सुना। बट तुम तो ऑलरेडी करते थे ना मासी के कोई वो एज्योर वाले वर्चुअल मशीन पे, उस पे ही रखते पेपर एमसी वाला सर्वर, लाइट वेट। अभी मैं और मेरे दोस्त जो सर्वर मासी ने बनाया उसमें खेल रहे हैं। अच्छा जो तुमने आईपी भेजा था उसी का ही था। आप किस में खेलना पसंद करोगे? मैं जावा में, मेरे पास है ही नहीं बेडरॉक, तो फिर एक ही है जावा। Yeah, I think this should be, I did mention 3.0, so I'm not sure why is this jittering. बेडरॉक के लिए चाहिए था, उसके बेडरॉक थी, सॉरी उसका बेडरॉक नहीं था वीएम में, वैनिला जावा सर्वर। अच्छा ऐसे भी सर्वर्स होते हैं जो दोनों में चल जाए। आई थिंक वो टबो ने बनाया तो था टबनेट, वो बिहाइंड द सीन क्या यूज़ करता है वही यूज़ कर दिया। टबनेट इज़ क्लोजिंग। नॉट श्योर आपने माइनक्राफ्ट ख़रीदा है या नहीं? हाँ ख़रीदा हुआ है। नहीं कौन सा सर्वर, 99 रुपीज़ वाला या मासी वाला? वही मासी वाला जो सर्वर था उस। हाँ ओह शिट, इसमें इसी वाले में बेडरॉक था, बट फ्रेंड के पास वो नहीं था, सो न्यू 99 RS जावा वाला, जावा प्लस bedrock दिया, right? Okay, I think OBS is back, but anyways, ठीक मासी वाले में खेल लेंगे, पर स्पीड रन नहीं करेंगे, उसमें आराम से खेलेंगे. हाँ हाँ सही है. This I know. No, this is for Python, okay. But I want to do the same thing for C++. Or call it C. Okay, not C++, C. दो दोस्त थे जो माइनक्राफ्ट फ़ोन में खेलते, बाकी 4 या 5 के पास दोनों है, जावा भी एंड बेडरॉक भी, इसलिए हमने सोचा बेडरॉक का सर्वर बना ले. हाँ सही है. नाइस. स्कूल SMP. ये तो हो गया, मतलब डेसिमल के बाद आई नो, बट कहीं किसी ने डॉक्स की लिंक डाली होती. तो ओके, 9 टोटल कैरेक्टर्स, 2 digits before the dot itself, and 6 digits after the dot. Okay, so in our case we don't even need decimals, so 4 digits, the dot itself, and then 3 digits for this. पर अब जावा के 2 सर्वर्स हो गए. इफ़ स्पीड रन करना तो 99 रुपीज़ वाले में खेल सकते, या इफ़ नॉर्मल खेलना तो मासी वाले में. आपको दोनों की IP DM में सेंड कर दी. ओके, थैंक्स. और तुम्हारे पास ये 99 रुपीज़ कहाँ से आते हैं? Okay, nice. I can maybe do the same thing for seconds. दोस्तों ने कंट्रीब्यूट करे थे. अच्छा, नाइस. Okay, we don't even need this font anymore. Those assets. Okay, and now we will show some random text in here. So if it is not done, and this, then this. चलो फिर बाय. हाँ, बाय. करता हूँ मैसेज 8 बजे आपको, या ठीक है. बाय. Not bad. And green color. Not bad, could have been better. Could have been better. You missed. I think I can remove this one if it is done. Also, we want it to be dark green. Dark green, is that the thing? Yeah. Not bad, could have been better. no matter how good you do, this will always be the message you get. Okay, nice. Now let's also add one last thing. And is done, is not done. One last thing is, if it is done, so this case and this case, we will listen for enter key. Which will reset the level. To retry. Dark. Okay, dark blue is also a thing, so let's use that. Is dark red also a thing or not? Red. I think maroon is dark red. Maybe we can try that. What? Okay, this should be maroon. This should also be maroon. This is dark green. No, this should be blue. Oh, I changed the text. Shit. Yeah, so I was doing this. Press enter to retry. And this would be dark blue. This would be maroon. And even this would be maroon. Yeah, that's dark green. So this is on same condition. If it's not done, but if there is no time left, then do this, else do this. But if it is done, wait, so if it is not done or time left, it's 0. No, and time left is greater than 0, then we do this, else we do this. Wait, if it is not done, which is the case right now, it is not done, and time left is also greater than 0, then we should be here. Oh, sorry, it should be reverse. Okay, this is so silly. Oh my god. That's good. Okay, %0. Where is it? Is this? Yup. Let's see. Yup. Okay, yeah, so game name would be, let's commit these changes and then decide on the game name. I'm thinking something along the lines of how close you can go or something, or maybe clutch or something. I don't know. Add multiple states in gameplay. So there is no game over screen, so that's good. We don't need that. Who needs game over screen? So we have welcome everybody. How are we doing? How are we doing? Start with 100. And then we tell them press enter to start. It's a simple game. Okay, oh sorry. Okay, let's see. What? Is 200 too big or what? It shouldn't be that big. What? Okay, now we have this. I don't know what happened. Press enter to start. Maybe that's it. We don't even mention this. Welcome. Okay. Not bad, could have been better. Oh my god. Oh wait. Okay, I think that's it for the game. Not bad. You know? Not bad for a... how long? 2 hours long game jam session. Very simple. But... you know what? I can... let me see. I can add some sounds in this. Okay, this one. Did you select maybe? Okay, I don't think we need anything of any of the sounds. I'm fine with this. Okay, what's our game name? How accurately can you count down? Accurately can you count down? How accurate is your countdown? It's simple. Instructions are already in the game, but yeah, I think that's it. And I don't have, okay, I have 1 credit for the font. White rabbit. For now, this is all I'll do. It's not, no genre or genre, whatever. No AI generated stuff. No LLMs or ChatGPT. yeah, I think that's it. Maybe one more last change I'll do is change the background color to white. Just so that, yeah, it doesn't have these bars. But yeah, I think that's good enough for me. Yeah. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I think that's it for this GMTK Game Jam. We did it in just one episode. Yeah, that's it. So, thanks for joining. See you in the next stream, maybe in the next jam. Next, we might be. I'm not very sure of Takernal Game Jam, but I might participate in this one. We will see, I think, because I'll be busy next week, so I might not be available for this, but we'll see. Yeah, that's it for today's stream. Thanks for joining. See you in the next game jam or